Body of newborn baby found in downtown Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The body of a newborn baby was found on Monday in a garbage bin on Temple Lane in downtown Kingston. The baby's body was reportedly in a bag in a garbage bin. It was reportedly discovered by a passerby on Monday morning who alerted the police. More information will be followed in a later newscast. Continuing the news. 2 teen girls go missing on the same day in Lavern's Tavern, St. Andrew. The police have activated an Ananda alert for 2 teenagers from different communities in Lavern's Tavern, St. Andrew, both of whom have been missing since Saturday, May the 7th. Missing are Talita Montgomery, age 16, a student of Mount Olive District, and Chanel Mitchell of Escona, who is also 16 years old. Talita is of dark complexion, slim built and about 157 centimeters or 5 feet 2 inches tall, while Chanel is of brown complexion and slim build. Reports from the Lavern's Tavern police are that Talita was last seen at home about 5 p.m. wearing a blue blouse, black jeans and a pair of black slippers. Chanel was last seen in the community wearing a black sweater, black leggings and a pair of pink Crocs, the police have stated. Both teenagers have not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of both female are being asked to contact the Lavern's Tavern police at 876-924-6222, the police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.